Thank you for this kind introduction. Honorable Ken Stewart, Commissioner, Georgia Department of Economic Development, Mr. Ani Agnihotri, Chair of the US-India Business Summit taking place here in Atlanta, all other distinguished members of the host committee, all other organizers, partners and associates who have worked so hard in organizing this very useful, very substantive event, sponsors, of course, ladies and gentlemen. Well, it's a privilege to be here amidst you this evening at the finale of the first day of the US-India Business Summit that is taking place in the very important and vibrant city of Atlanta in the state of Georgia, with which India has traditionally very close, historically very close and friendly relations and growing cooperation, particularly in recent years in the wake of the wide-ranging economic reforms that were started in India in the early 90s. Over the years, in the last 26 years that I have been a career diplomat, I have had opportunities of doing a lot of business promotion, commercial diplomacy, including in countries such as Germany and Czech Republic. And one has had opportunities of partnering in many business promotion events with economic promotion agencies and so on. And also participating at a number of such events. And I must very heartily congratulate Chairman of the US-IBS, Ani Agnihotri, and his entire team in putting together, as I felt today, a very substantive business event. I think tremendous hard work. It's a combination of a lot of perspiration and inspiration that has gone into bringing this gathering together, companies in diverse sectors from Georgia, from other parts of the United States, as also many companies, many representatives of state governments and central government in India. And I think this is a very important event that has been organized in Atlanta, where our business has grown in recent years, investments both by companies in Georgia, in India, as also by many Indian companies in Georgia. Many examples have been given in the earlier speeches and sessions during the day. It is also in ample measure a demonstration of the guidance, support and inspiration that this event has enjoyed from the political leadership that Honorable Governor of Georgia, as well as our Ambassador, Ms. Meera Shankar from Washington, D.C. They were both here at the inaugural, at the extremely useful CEO's roundtable, and during lunch we had none other than the Assistant Secretary of State for Commerce, Honorable Suresh Kumar, as the keynote speaker. And we have all been given really a larger perspective from each of these dignitaries.